Let me ask you something. Why is it so easy to scroll for one more hour, but so hard to study for just 10 minutes? Why does your brain choose the bed, the phone, the snacks, the "I'll do it tomorrow," even when you know your future depends on what you do today? If you're a student who feels lazy, distracted, burned out, or stuck in the same routine, this video is for you. Because the problem is not that you're weak, the problem is this: your brain is addicted to comfort. And today, I'll show you how to break that addiction step by step. Stay with me. Part 1. What's really happening inside your brain? Your brain has one main job: keep you alive, save energy. Thousands of years ago, comfort meant survival, resting, eating, avoiding danger. But today, comfort looks like Netflix. Comfort looks like Instagram. Comfort looks like staying in bed and avoiding work. Here's the science part. Simple version. Every time you choose comfort, your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine is the feel-good chemical. Phone, dopamine. Snooze button, dopamine. Junk food, dopamine. Your brain learns fast. It says, "Oh, this feels good. Let's do this again." And slowly, hard work feels painful. Focus feels boring. Discomfort feels scary. That's why motivation feels dead. Not because you're broken, but because your brain is trained wrong. And the good news? Anything trained can be retrained. Part 2. The comfort trap students fall into. Let me tell you a real story. A student wakes up late, checks phone, feels guilty, says, "I'll study in the afternoon." Afternoon comes, feels tired, says, "I'll start after a break." Evening comes, stress hits, so the brain escapes. Games, reels, videos. At night, guilt attacks. "I wasted another day." Sound familiar? This is not laziness. This is comfort addiction plus guilt cycle. Comfort gives short happiness. Guilt takes long energy. And the next day, you're even weaker. So we don't fight motivation. We change the system. Part 1. Morning, break comfort first thing. Your morning decides your brain's mood for the whole day. If the first thing you do is grab your phone, your brain says, "Today is a comfort day." So here's your first rule. Win the first 10 minutes. That's it. You don't need a perfect routine. You need one uncomfortable action. Examples: sit up immediately when alarm rings. Wash your face with cold water. Make your bed. Step outside for 2 minutes. Do 10 push-ups or stretches. Why this works? Discomfort releases dopamine too, but the healthy kind, the kind that builds confidence. Your brain learns, hey, discomfort didn't kill me. Small win, big signal. You're telling your brain who's in charge. Part 4. Afternoon. Use the low-effort start rule. Most students wait to feel ready before studying. Big mistake. Your brain hates big tasks. It loves small starts. So do this. Lower the entry point. Instead of "I'll study for 2 hours," say "I'll study for 5 minutes." That's it. Open the book, read one page, solve one question. Why it works? Starting is the hardest part. Once you start, dopamine increases after progress, not before. Motion creates motivation, not the other way around. Tell yourself, just 5 minutes, I can quit after. Most of the time, you won't quit. And even if you do, you still won. I know student life is hard. Pressure, expectations, fear of failing. But you're not weak. You're just fighting a brain that wants comfort over growth. And the moment you choose discomfort, you take your power back. Not tomorrow, not next month, today. If this video helped you even a little, hit like. It tells YouTube to share this with more students who need it. Subscribe for more videos like this, and share this with a friend who's stuck in comfort mode.